These English phrases are probably killing your credibility at work. I'm Victoria. I run a corporate language training company, and I see this constantly. Sales went up versus revenue grew by 15% year over year. Our costs went down this quarter versus operating expenses declined by 8% quarter over quarter. Customer satisfaction got to 92% versus customer satisfaction reached an all-time high of 92%. Same information, totally different impression. One sounds casual, the other sounds like you belong in a boardroom. Follow me for business English tips like this every single day. And I go much deeper into the topic of annual reporting in episode 44 of the Business English Made Easy podcast. Comment 44 down below, and I'll send you the link to the full audio plus the free worksheet that goes along with the episode.